Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Hello everybody, this is Abhijit and you are watching RoyTecTips YouTube channel, and today we are going to unbox a Bluetooth headset from Xiaomi. I love Xiaomi and I really love their product. So today I have this LYJ021M Bluetooth headset which is sent by Banggood.com for review. I don't pay anything for the product, they send it to me for free. So guys, let's unbox it and find out what's inside the box. Cut the plastic seal and open the box, and inside the plastic box there is another paper box, and inside the paper box it's the headset itself. It came in two variants, a black and white. I got the black one. Inside the box first we get a manual. The manual is in Chinese language, so if you know Chinese, let me know what it is written. I think nowadays nobody read the manual, so keep the manual aside and find out what else we have inside the box. This is the main headset itself. It's really lightweight, it's around 6 grams and it looks really nice and premium. Its build quality is awesome, and on the bottom we have the charging port, and on the left side we have this called volume button, volume up down button, and on the top we have this 3-way button. You can take call, cut call, and also power it on and off using this button, and it looks awesome. Like I just fall in love. I love Xiaomi product and they make amazing product in cheap price, and this headset price is only $11-12 available in Banggood.com. Also inside the box we get a micro USB charging cable for charging the headset. Also get 2 extra earbuds, so if default earbuds do not fit on your ear, you can change them. Hey guys, so I'm using this headset for near about a week now, and after using a week I'm giving you its review. The build quality is good, sound quality is decent, range is good, and battery backup is also good. It's give you near about 3-4 hours talk time, and standby time is near about couple of days. And the thing I don't like about this headset, it's hard to put in my ear. Like sometimes it's feel like okay, it will fall out from my ear. But it's okay. After a couple of try I get used to it. But over this I love this kind of neck band, and you can easily put on your neck, and you can use a single on if you want. It's easy, it's never fail off from ear, and you can use both too if you want to listen music. And I never ever enjoy listening music on single ear, so I always use this kind of thing. It's expensive, it's near about 5 times expensive than this kind of one single ear Bluetooth earphone, but I prefer this. This is my choice guys. But if you are looking for just voice calling, just for calling, one thing that I don't like about this thing, the noise cancellation. And this Xiaomi Bluetooth earphone do not have quality noise cancellation. So if you are on a busy street or a noisy environment, it pick all of the noise. But if you guys want to use this in a low noise environment, there will be no problem. Even so many people, if you call, they will not notice that they are getting a lot of noise. But suddenly when you're talking with somebody, it peaks near about the surrounding noise. If somebody is talking near about 5 to 10 meters away from you, this Bluetooth earphones mic will pick the sound. That will be sometimes annoying, but rather than this is a good Bluetooth headset for single earphone. So if you are a biker or if you are driving a car and you want to use a Bluetooth headphone, you can go for this kind of headphone just for talking. It's a pretty good solid Bluetooth earphone. Overall I will give this headphone 4 out of 5. So if you guys are looking for this headphone, I'll give in the link in the description below, so you can check it up. And definitely I will recommend this headphone like whoever driving a car or whoever want to talk over a phone but do not want to put this kind of neckband or a Bluetooth or a wired headphone. You can check it. It's definitely recommended. It's near about $10 to $11 about normal headphone. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Hope you like this review video, and if you want me to review anything, let me know in the comment section. I try to do that for you guys. Meet you on my next video. Till then, bye bye.